All right, here we have for 3, multiplication rule number 2. This is when we have an and, both events happening simultaneously when events are dependent, right? Dependent means there is some influence of A and B onto each other, all right? So when you have the probability of events A and B happening, it's equal to the probability of A happening multiplied by, and here's the change, the probability of B given A. This vertical line here, this vertical bar, gets translated when we say it in English as the word given. All right, we're going to have another slide that I'll go through in a minute dealing with given or a conditional probability. But for now, when you look at the first set of problems and you have the and statement for dependent events, they'll give you the given portion of it as a number. They'll just give you this probability, and you can plug it in to solve for either the probability of A or the probability of A and B. All right, just using a little bit of algebra. We'll do a couple examples later on. Anyway, repeating, multiplication rule number 2, and statements when you have dependent events. So if A and B are dependent, that means not independent, meaning they do influence each other. The probability of A and B is equal to the probability of A times the probability of B given A. Similarly, it's also the probability of B times the probability of A given B, but we're not really going to talk about this. And that would bring up something else called Bayes' law. But just so you know, it's commutative, the and statement. I could have written it out backwards. But right now, let's just focus on the basic multiplication rule number 2.